Look both ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing.
Be careful on the stairs. Be careful on the stairs. Take a short rest. Take a short rest.
Come help me water the plants. Come help me water the plants.
Stay warm and wear your hat. Stay warm and wear your hat. Finish your milk. Finish your milk.
Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Hold my hand while we walk. Hold my hand while we walk. Stay close to me in the store. Stay close to me in the store.
Bring your sweater with you. Bring your sweater with you.
Come here and show me your drawing. Come here and show me your drawing. Put your backpack by the chair. Put your backpack by the chair. Smile and be happy. Smile and be happy.
Wait for me at the door. Wait for me at the door.
Use your napkin, please. Use your napkin, please.
Put the remote on the table. Put the remote on the table. Give the cat some food. Give the cat some food.
Remember that I love you. Remember that I love you.
Bring me the book from the table. Bring me the book from the table.
Help me carry this bag. Help me carry this bag.
Sit up straight, please. Sit up straight.
Put your plate in the sink. Put your plate in the sink.
Put your shoes by the door. Put your shoes by the door. Wear your jacket outside. Wear your jacket outside. Save some cookies for later. Save some cookies for later. Come help me in the kitchen. Come help me in the kitchen.